Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest products in the market. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best fan for big halls available right now. Yes, you heard it right, it's the 62-inch ceiling fan with lights and remote by Sevenine. Let's get into why this fan stands out from the rest. First off, let's talk about its size. At 62 inches, this ceiling fan is a real powerhouse, making it perfect for large spaces like great rooms, living rooms, halls, and even patios or farmhouses. But size isn't everything, right? Let's delve deeper into what makes this fan so exceptional. The sleek black finish combined with 8 wood blades not only gives it a modern aesthetic but also ensures durability and ease of cleaning. And let's not forget about the integrated LED lights, offering adjustable color temperatures to set the perfect ambiance in any room. Now, let's talk about performance. This fan boasts a powerful DC motor that operates quietly, thanks to its noiseless design. With 6 speed settings, you can customize the airflow to your liking. Whether you prefer a gentle breeze or a strong gust, this fan has got you covered. But wait, there's more. The remote control allows for easy operation, including adjusting the brightness of the lights and setting timers. Plus, with its reversible feature, you can use it to keep you warm in winter and cool in summer. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the ease of installation, the convenience of the remote control, and the overall performance of this ceiling fan. It's truly a game changer for any space. So there you have it, folks. The 62-inch ceiling fan with lights and remote by Sevenine. With its impressive size, sleek design, and exceptional performance, it's no wonder why this fan is considered the best for big halls. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on top-notch products. Until next time, stay cool.